A quick announcement for if you want to take your trading to the next level. I recently started a profitable trading signal group in which I show you and I send signals of all of my trades. If you want to join this group or if you're interested in that, go check out the first link down in the description or in the pinned comment.
Good afternoon, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto and welcome to this new video I wanted to make on Blur. Wanted to make a quick update on that. I did an update yesterday, but we already need to update it even more because yesterday we were actually bearish, which was expected, but we were a little bit more bearish than we expected. So I wanted to talk about that. Right now, Blur's volume, I think, is actually down. I'm not sure, but no, it's actually still up. It's still a lot. It's still at 540 million. Market cap right now at 380 million. I would almost say that's undervalued. If you take a look at how big the Blur NFT marketplace is right now, how much in volume it's doing and stuff, it might be a little bit undervalued. But sometimes, and most of the times, the crypto market doesn't really care about intrinsic value. So unfortunately, but fortunately, we do still have enough volume to actually do something. So quick recap yesterday, and what was happening is that we had this bullish momentum and this bearish momentum kind of clashing. We already expected that we would likely get a bearish breakout and drop down to like 1.1 and 1.05. And then from there, what we were hoping, at least what I was hoping, is that we could get some sort of a fifth wave, so something like this. And then retracement here, and then a fifth wave up to 1.5. But that's invalidated pretty much. Here was also the 618 fib of this whole move. Invalidated that, but also got some more bearish confirmation by breaking down below this trend line. Took a break retest. So it was yesterday. You could have we already knew that we were probably going to drop down lower. Also dropped down below like 1.11, 1.1 and used it as a resistance. So we dropped down first towards 95 cents and $1. Also gave that up. So that leaves us where we are right now. Technically, we're in the middle of 95 cents and $1. But practically, I would say we're below $1 and we're below the 236 fib. Altogether right now, Blur has started very quickly to look very bearish. Now, one thing I have to say, and one thing that is for sure true, is that what's going to happen with Blur is going to depend a lot on what Bitcoin is going to do in the upcoming 24 hours. Bitcoin is probably going to be quite volatile. Right now, it's still relatively bearish, even though we found some support. But after the FOMC minutes, tonight, it's going to move a lot. All right. And what happens to Blur is going to depend quite a lot on what Bitcoin does in the time frame. For now, though, if we take a look at the technicals for Blur and in the upcoming hours, it seems most likely to me that, you know, we found some support around 90 cents. Historically, that's not that strong of a level. So I think it's more likely that from here we would drop down to this level around 85 and 83 cents, which historically is a stronger support level. So from there, we might actually be able to find support. And the key takeaway from that is that we're going to find support there. If we can find support there for 3 days, then it's a support that will last. Then we'll probably also see some more bullish momentum. All right, so purely technically, this is what I think the most likely scenario is for Blur. But unfortunately, it's not only technicals. So for example, if Bitcoin drops down to 23,000 tonight, we're still going to have this drop, but this is probably going to be a little bit less likely. If Bitcoin goes up to 24,700 tonight, also very well possible, then we'll easily break above $1 and we'll be bullish again. We'll get up to 1.1 and from there we'll see again. So a lot of things possible, unfortunately. Hopefully you still found some value in this in this update on Blur. But for now, that is my take. So if you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, take care and bye.